Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Friday lauded the Indian Navy on Navy Day, saying it fearlessly protects the country's coast and also renders humanitarian assistance in times of needs. Jammu and Kashmir voters on Friday queued for the third phase of voting in the District Development Council elections, where residents in 33 constituencies are set to vote. Celebrations to mark the first anniversary of the Tri-Party Mahavikas Aghadi government in Maharashtra hit a note of controversy, with NCP President Sharad Pawar, who is also the architect of the coalition, making critical observations on the leadership of Congress leader Rahul Gandhi. After another marathon round of discussion on Thursday, representatives of government and farmers agreed to meet again on Saturday, even as the centre indicated it could consider measures such as equal taxes for APMC mandis and private markets. The union government has filed an affidavit in the Supreme Court opposing a PIL seeking lifetime ban on contesting elections on politicians convicted of serious offences, as against the present stipulation of disqualifying the person from polls for a period of 6 years after serving the sentence. The Trump administration Wednesday issued new rules to curtail travel to the United States by members of the Chinese Communist Party and their immediate families, a move certain to further exacerbate tensions between the two countries. On Thursday, Bollywood lyricist Javed Akhtar recorded his statement through his lawyer before a metropolitan court in the connection with the complaint of defamation filed by him against actor Kangana Ranaut.